Christmas wish, Volleyball Edition number 9. Wow! Umabot tayo sa 9th. I love it. This is for my Rebisco Queens. Rebisco Queens. My wish is for Gemma, Bernadette, or Cici to get an MVP award. Kahit sino sa kanila, basta mag-MVP, happy na ako. I really like them kasi ever since nung UAP days nila, talagang makikitaan mo na, ay, ang galing nung babaeng yun. Ang athletic niya. I like the way they lead the team. Hindi lang sila puro salita. They let their play speak for them. Gets ba? Gusto ko yung inaangat nila palagi yung team nila, tapos hindi sila nagreklamo. They're really fun to watch, and they're very skilled. Idol sila, as in, I really, really like them. I hope they'll keep on playing on this kind of level kasi nakaka-inspire sila talaga. They're inspiring people like me. So yun, that's my wish for Gemma, Cici, and Bernadette. That's my final wish and sana magkatotoo talaga. So yun. Okay, yun lang po guys. Bye!